Hello everyone, this is your boy JCUTMoto. And today, mamibigay ako ng motor. Ay, hindi pala. Anyway, kidding aside, I will be giving away this helmet strap mount courtesy of Telesin Philippines. May kasama siyang dalawang J buckle mount. I think this is a J buckle kasi para siyang letter J as in JCUT. Yes, dalawang J buckle mount. So papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ito gagamitin. Basically, tanggalin nyo muna to. So ito yung makikita nyo. So ito plus ang J buckle dito. Yun. Oops, hindi yata fit. Baliktad. Ito. Yun. Ganito. So, you will be putting your action cam here. Screw your action cam right here. Ganun lang. So, basic na basic po. J buckle mount. Tapos, put your camera right here using your standard na screw. Anyway, putting it in your helmet is simple as putting this strap. So insert this strap, then lock. Same with the other one. Insert lang, tapos lock. Yun. As simple as that one. Ang gagawin mo lang is you have to put it in front, saka tighten it up. Pitin lang, tapos lock. Ganun lang kasimple. Now, papakita ko yung ginawa ko sa helmet ko. As I've said earlier, nagamit ko na itong strap na to, strap mount, helmet strap mount during our Sunday ride going to Samar. That's 444 kilometers balikan. Most of the time, we were pacing around 80 to 90 kilometers per hour. Max speed namin usually nasa 110 kilometers per hour. So medyo mabilis siya. So first things first, helmet strap mount build quality. So far naman build quality niya, I think it's made of a durable plastic. To namang part na to, yung blue, the rubber, parang grip part siya. So this will grip to your helmet para di siya mag-move. So depende na rin siguro sa surface ng helmet mo. Now, aside from build quality, ease of use. So kinaganda nito is madali siyang gamitin. Tinignan ko lang yung picture na nakita ko online and that's it. Very simple siya to mount. So that's another good feature of this mount. Now, flexibility side, for the longest time, di ako gumamit ng chin mount. Basically kasi pag chin mount, most of the time, ididikit mo talaga siya. So, one good thing about this helmet strap mount is that baga kung magpapalit ka ng helmet, pwede mo siyang tanggalin and then strap onto the next helmet that you want to use. Downside siguro is that this strap right here will obstruct the helmet visor. Based on my experience, medyo nakaangat siya ng konti. Although di naman ganun kalaki ang gap ng visor sa kanang helmet mismo. But so far naman, wind noise is not really that different compared sa stock na helmet ko na wala pa nito. I think minimal lang ang naging difference nila, so it's not really bothering me that much. So I think that's my review. So I will be giving two of these. So meron tayong dalawa. Actually tatlo yung pinadala ng Telesin Philippines. Unfortunately, I will have to use the other one. So yung ibibigay ko lang is dalawa. If you're an aspiring motovlogger or if you want to document your rides using your action cam, you probably need this one. So kung wala pa kayo nito, you might want to join the giveaway. Mechanics para makasali sa giveaway na to. It's number 1, dapat kang maging subscriber ng channel na to. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe. Number 2, dapat kang mag-comment sa video na to. So comment down below kung bakit gusto mong manalo. Number 3, dapat ka ring mag-like sa video na to. Or kung gusto nyo, dapat share nyo na rin sa Facebook nyo para maraming makaalam. Number 4, i-like nyo yung page ng Telesin Philippines kasi kung di dahil sa kanila, wala tayong pag-giveaway ngayon. And number 5, huwag nyo na rin kalimutan, isali nyo na rin pag-like sa Facebook page ko, JCUTMoto. So that would be all for the steps or ang mechanics para makasali. Announcement of the winners will be posted April 1. May panahon pa kayo para makasali.